What's going on, everybody? Magnus here, back with another video for you guys. It seems like I have suddenly become the laser guy on YouTube. I'm sure there's a lot of other people doing lasers, but I don't want to do many more laser videos. So, if you clicked on this video, you have a chance to win an Ortur Laser Master 2 Pro. This is the video where you're going to be able to do that. So what I need you guys to do, before anything else, is make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification button, and most importantly, more than anything else, leave a comment down below, because that's how it's going to filter through all your names. And the next video where I do a review of the Ortur Laser Master Pro 2, I'm going to give that away to one of you guys and ship it off to you. Over the years, you guys have been a great support to this channel, and I can't believe that I'm able to do this for a living. But if you're interested in supporting this channel even more, I've got a few options for you. Obviously, the easiest way to support this channel is to like all the videos, comment on them, share the videos around. That's always pretty simple. But if you want to support even more, this channel now has memberships. There's a membership button down below that you can check out and support through that. You get some emotes and just some little chat icons. I've been running my Patreon for ages, so if you're interested in patterns and artwork from this channel at a discounted cost, you can check out my Patreon. There'll be a link in the description down below for that. You can always just go over to my website, darkhorseworkshop.com, and pick up patterns and artwork there. And on top of everything, I've been designing some shirts for a while. This is one of my favorite ones here, Viking Serpent with a Vulcanut, and I occasionally make other designs that I've done into shirts. So if any of my artwork interests you for being on a shirt, feel free to get in touch with me and we can make that happen. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do. I'm going to unbox it, put it together, use it, do a review on it, put it all back in the box, and ship it away to you. It'll be Magnus touched, if you will. That doesn't really mean anything, does it? Yeah, I don't think so.